My fellow citizens, I call upon each and every one of you. Let 2019 be a year of building bridges to one another and bring discipline and perseverance to our efforts. Let us respect and celebrate our differences and use them to build a more vibrant citizenship. No Kenyan is an island, far removed and isolated from the needs and desires of the rest of the country. As you plan to prosper as an individual, plan to do so in an honest way. Let your success not only bring benefit to you, but to others around you as well. Let 2019 be our year of national revival and renewal. A year when we water the seeds planted in preceding years so that they may sprout and grow into a strong and towering tree.